European stocks joined a global sell-off Monday, but in calmer fashion than Asia. London's FTSE index lost around 2% from the open. The Pan-European Stocks Index slid a little more. Significant falls, but minor compared to the day of turmoil in Asia, where Japan's Nikkei index closed down 12.4%. That was its worst one-day decline since 1987. South Korea's Kospi index fell close to 9%, while shares around Asia outside Japan lost a milder but still painful 4.2%. Hirofumi Kasai is senior strategist at Tokyo Marine Asset Management.
パニック売り的なところはあると思うんですけれども、もともと
I think there is a sense of panic selling. The trigger was concerns over the US economy and prospects of interest rates rising in Japan after a more than expectedly hawkish tone from Bank of Japan Governor Ueda's news conference last week.
出たということで、それがトリガーになったんだと思います。
The stock tailspin set in last week after some worse than expected employment data in the US. That fueled fears that the country could be headed for a recession and spurred bets on rapid-fire rate cuts. Analysts at JP Morgan now say there's a 50% chance of recession in the country. The stock sell-off saw money flow into perceived safe havens instead, with the Japanese yen and Swiss franc both soaring. US and Japanese benchmark government bonds also saw strong demand, with yields tumbling. Adding to the gloom were weekend results from Warren Buffett's Berkshire Hathaway, which suggested the legendary investor has gone sour on stocks. He appears to have offloaded much of his holdings, including around half of his big stake in Apple. Investors saw a sign that Buffett is now wary about US economic prospects, or sky-high stock market valuations, or maybe both.